We thank you, God, for bringing us all here. It's not a coincidence, never by chance, that we are all here gathered celebrating the first birthday of Raya. And also, we witness how Justin and Ira are going to raise Raya into a God-fearing woman.
Naramdam ko ibang-ibang love, no, na hindi siya comparable sa kahit ano. Kasi nagla-life group ako noon, nag-aalaga ng mga tao, pero napakaiba pala kapag sarili mo ng anak. Ibang-iba talaga yung pagmamahal. Basta naunawaan mo yung love ng isang ni God sa atin.
Nung dumating si Raya sa buhay namin, ang pinagkaiba niya, nagkaroon ng purpose and plan yung family namin. Dati parang easy going lang kami, pero ngayon nagiging ano na kami, parang nakatingin kami sa plano, nagiging maingat kami sa buhay namin. Kasi nga, nakatingin kami na meron kaming anak at meron kaming uuwi ang pamilya, ganun. Kaya ang laki ng kaibahan nung si Raya dumating sa buhay namin.
Will you endeavor by God's grace to stand together in raising Raya with full support and encouragement? The Lord wants our children to be brought closer to Him. Kailangan po natin ilapit ang mga anak natin. Katulad po ng araw na ito, as we're celebrating the birthday of Raya, it's our responsibility to ensure that Raya will be closer to God. Ever wonder how gracious God is? Na, Lord, bakit kami ang binibigyan mo ng responsibility na magkaroon ng anak na mailapit pa sa'yo? No? The Lord is looking for God-fearing parents. And I pray that all of us will have the same desire.
I promise to support you all the way. No? Always remember that Mommy loves you so much, and Mommy will always be here for you.
Patuloy ko siyang aalagaan, ingatan at tunay nga magbibigay ng provision sa kanyang mga pangangailangan.
Happy birthday, Raya! Sana lalaki ka ng maayos, mabuting bata.
Ganda ang kalusugan, saka katalinuhan, respeto sa mga matatanda.
Guess I never learned how to play it cool. I know people wanna say it's a hard.
Daddy Justin, Mommy Ira, and Baby Raya!
Happy birthday, Raya! By the candlelight, little picnic in the park with your hand in mine. If you wanna take a chance, we can roll the dice. Baby, I'll do anything you like. Now my heart is
Happy birthday, Raya! I'm your Tito and Tita!
I go crazy. I know it's cliche, but I'll say it anyway.
Happy birthday, Raya!
Magkaroon siya ng pananatakot sa Diyos pagdating niya. Maging obedient siya sa mga magulang niya. That the Lord will guide her hanggang sa kanyang paglaki. Happy birthday, Raya! Love, love ni Lola. Ayan.
birthday. Mahal na mahal ka ng mami, ng daddy. We believe that the Lord will always be with you. Ikaw yung kasasamahan ka ng Lord. I love you so much.
Happy first birthday, Raya! Daddy loves you. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng mami.